Elizabeth Tudor granted her charters. Missionaries, traders, explorers sailed from her waters. 3 rivers under 3 streets, 6 bells, a coppered St. Mary's, chapels, churches, spires, pulpits, hymns and prayers shout to heaven, fine houses, bright shops, and at night the rhythm of the tide. Egrets spearing eels with God-wit regrets, peregrines persecuting pigeons, gulls pinching pasties, rooks preaching dark damnation in cathedral oaks, the harmony of seasons. Oh yea, oh yea, oh yea, Cornish town, Cornish city, be well advised, invest, inshore, win Whitson's Fair's best goldfish prize, eat well, drink to be wise, come and return again and again and again for all of 1,000 reasons. True Augustinak, Cerno Bisfican, God bless the Duke of Cornwall! Get on with it.
Right, get off. Clo-yo! 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 Come ye, come ye, come ye to Trurra, County O, County Council, County Town of Cerno. Help choke off Falmouth, push up house prices in Redruth, and grind what's left of Chiverton into the rubble. Come ye one and all, come ye to Trurra, Church of England, Cathedral City. Worship at the new Cathedral of St. Michael. Marks and Sparks. Give generously to the chief executive of the old one. Celebrate St. John, St. Paul, St. George, and look for the fabled St. Ringo. Come ye, one and all to Trurra for double price coffee, triple price parking and inflated carrack fines. Come ye, one and all to Trurra, rows of 4x4s in resident permit holders' spaces for dentists, accountants and solicitors. God bless the Mayor of Trurra.
Yes.
No. St. George and Merry Old England, Truro Agustinarch, Garras Wharf, Moorfield, Viaduct, full. Bit strapped for cash this week. Bugger off. Yes.